Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change resolution in Wildgate. To change the resolution, you'll need to click on menu in top right corner, then go to options, then go to video, and first of all, window mode has to be either set to full screen or windowed. It cannot be set to windowed full screen. Now there's a difference between the full screen and the windowed mode. Windowed, of course, won't be on full screen, so you'll see the game within a window, but at least when you set a different resolution than your screen, then the image won't be stretched, which is quite great. Whereas in full screen mode, the image will be stretched if the resolution is set to something lower than your screen resolution. So let's try to set it to 720p and let's save and close. Now you'll see, I know that on camera it appears like as it was like smaller, but on my monitor it appears full screen, but in just lower, way worse resolution. Now let's go to options and go to video, and now I'm gonna switch it back to let's just go to windowed, and I'm gonna set it to 720p, and here it will just appear within a window. So yeah, that will be about it, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.